Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and I am here today for my November 2019 How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share. Now before we jump in, this is a different setup than I normally do, so if you're new here, hello. This isn't the normal kit that I usually share, but we're doing something a little different this month. But I do want to encourage you to go down in the description and check out everyone else's videos for their kit shares for the month. They'll be posting them here at the beginning of the month, and at the end of the month we'll all be posting what's left of our kits and, what we made with them. So for this month, you guys wanted to see multi-photo layouts. So I took that into consideration and decided I didn't want a kit this month. I was pretty strict with myself last month, and if you have not seen October 2019, I'll have that playlist linked down below so you guys can watch that if you're interested in seeing that kit. I was pretty strict with my kit, and I don't have any 12x12 papers left in it, so I'm pretty proud of that. So because of that, I used up a lot of paper. I'm now going to be focusing on this stuff. Now this is an IKEA unit in my craft cart here, and this IKEA divider is no longer available in white, I believe. I think it's only available in gray, and I'll try to find it on their website and link it down below for you guys. But this holds all of my new items that I haven't really gotten to play with yet. And as you can see, there's a lot of them. I want to say there's at least maybe 10 stamp sets in here. Lots of stuff. We got die cuts, we got stickers, and I'm going to be trying to focus on using up and actually playing with some of my new supplies this month. But I will be trying to do all multi-photo layouts. That'll also include some double pages, fingers crossed. I do have a few that I want to work on, but I'm not going to share everything in here, but some of the fun things I have include my Distress Oxides. I've had these, quite a while now. I have 4 colors in here. My Nuvo drops, I've never used those. We got some washi tape, we've got stamps. So I got some Technique Tuesday stamps, some Neat and Tangled stamps, Picket Fence Studio stamps. So cards, yes, probably will be doing some cards as well. Here's where the fun stuff begins. I have a ton of Echo Park with frames and tags and some of the summer fun. Let's see, so we have Animal Safari, Best Summer Ever, I Love Summer, all sorts of Echo Park that I have, some Freckled Fawn, Ellie Studio labels, love their labels, Illustrated Face sticker book, lost some jelly bean soup down here. I've actually had these for quite some time. All to new die cuts back there. These aren't too new to me, but I haven't used them very much, so I definitely want to use them some more. We've got some Illustrated Faith stickers. These are also really old, but I still haven't played with them. Recollections. Bunch of Webster's Pages stuff, and I actually do have Webster's Pages papers that are new. They came with these stickers that I might try to include. I don't put paper in here, these are just embellishments, but we might pull those in too since those are newer items. Ellie Studio, Paper Smooches, 2 Alta New stamp sets, Momenta stickers. These are some dollar store stickers. We have my lovely Freckled Fawn. We got some labels and some doilies. Tiny alphabets. These are pretty much all stamp sets back here. I do have a Traveler's Notebook, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, those will most likely not be double page, well, they probably will be double page spreads, but they won't be multi-photo layouts because I don't print my photos at home, but maybe we could do something fun with that. Maybe, we'll see. We've got some Fancy Pants Joy Parade, some Echo Park Birthday Boy sticker accents, so I guess these are supposed to be boy stickers. I thought those would go down further. There must be something in the way. Jelly Bean Soup Bowl of Dreams, really cute, and you can tell these go across so many different color schemes as well, so I'll really get to pick and choose the papers that I use, pick and pull from these embellishments, but I'm not limiting myself. I do want to give myself a chance to use these, but if you guys see this stack over here of these are mostly completed layouts and then what's left of my kit, and then a fall paper on top. But there's just a lot of stuff still to be put away. My scrap room's an absolute mess, but I am really excited to do some great things this month for the Falling Back to Basics series, and I want to have the flexibility to use a bunch of different things that I've been wanting to use instead of being tied to a kit. Although I do find kits extremely motivational sometimes I just need a break. We also have these Fancy Pants Family & Co. puffy stickers. Those are adorable, nice fall color scheme. These are the Millie and June puffy stickers. And then we have these My Mind's Eye meow stickers. I have papers that go with these, so hopefully we can use those up. And then again, on this side, we have a lot of stamp sets, which I would love to get stamped. This one, and again, I've had these for quite some time. Most of these are actually from my local scrapbook store. This one I got online. Another Altenew stamp set I haven't had a chance to play with. Some thickers, blue glittery, and then navy glitter. Those are Chamel's, I believe. LE Studio, Alphabet, and then a Disney alphabet. Now, some of you do want to see some Disney pages, and I do anticipate doing some this month in November. But like I said, we are continuing on with the Falling Back to Basics series, so we're definitely going to cover other topics other than just process videos. So you guys are going to get more embellishment clusters and visual triangle lessons, so you guys can learn a little bit more about that and, you know, see it in a different light if you're interested. I also have some washi tapes down here. This one, I believe, is Jen Hadfield. Really, really pretty floral. I love when florals have all these different patterns in them. And I apologize for the focusing. There's a lot of light from behind me onto everything, so it's hard for the camera to understand that sometimes. But I promise it's a pretty floral with a bright green background, which is, again, not my style. And I'll show you the rest of these distress oxides I have in case you guys are interested in knowing what colors I have. We have Lucky Clover. And again, these are from Hobby Lobby, and that was a while ago that they did this sale. We have Antique Linen. And then I think we have one more orange color. Spiced Marmalade. Fun. So again, great for fall, great for cards, hopefully. I'll get to use this on some cards, but we shall see. I didn't mention these yet either. These are the Spectrum Noir art liners, and you can kind of see the reflection in here, so I apologize. But if it focuses on this, you'll see that there are brush tip pens, and they're all black. There we go. And so I thought this would be fun to try to do some either adding on to stamped images, which I've done before. So I've customized stamped images before using markers of different types, but I've never tried brush, so that would be fun. I didn't even go over this one. We have this Freckled Fawn washi, Freckled Fawn enamel hearts. Then we have some wood veneer. We got Fancy Pants, and then behind that we have Chili Bean Soup. So fun stuff to use in here, and I'm really excited to share with you guys all the stuff I can make with it. These I've used before as well, but they go with the Webster's pages. New stuff I have in here, so I threw those in here. But obviously a lot in here, and I'd love to know if there's something specific you guys would like to see. I also have this wonderful Close to My Heart stamp set that I had gotten as a prize from a giveaway, and it's absolutely cute. So that'd be really fun to use on something. Again, probably cards. We also have some decorative brads. It's been a while since I've used a brad. Puffy stickers from Freckled Fawn square doilies, Freckled Fawn chipboard. As you can see, there's a couple hauls in here that have just been, you know, waiting to be used. So I'm really excited to try to use these. And again, we're going to be focusing on multi-photo layouts, which can include single page and double page, because I like to do both. I don't think it'll include 8.5 by 11 this month, but if you are interested in 8.5 by 11, I did do at least 1 or 2 on this channel in October, but I also do those on my Patreon. So if you guys are interested in seeing all the additional process videos that don't get to make it to my YouTube channel, they're over on Patreon. So I'd highly recommend you guys check it out over there. But I will be sharing a ton while I am here in November during the Falling Back to Basics series, which I'm really excited about. And at the end of November means that we're announcing the next series. So the next series will run December through February, so it'll be 3 months again, and I'm really excited about it, and I think you guys will be too. I'm finalizing the details on that, but before that comes, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my videos, because I do upload at least 3 times a week. Usually more than that, because I have a lot going on here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I organize new product in my stash. This is where it all goes. I actually just went to Joann's today and bought some more stuff, so it'll be going in here as soon as I get a chance to get it out of the bag. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out. And don't forget to check out everyone else linked down below, because you guys do not want to miss all of the fun things coming for How to Kill a Kit with Style in November 2019. Because it's a busy month for a lot of us, but also a lot of us take our stress out on scrapbooking. So it's nice to have that outlet here on YouTube to share with you guys during these stressful holiday months that are upon us. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!